Welcome, guys. How's it going? Welcome. Hope everyone's good. Move that a little bit. Hope everyone's good. Welcome to another stream, guys. Welcome. Yeah, beautiful trade there on gold. I'm still running like 30% of this entry, which is decent. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see who's here. See if we can catch some more entries too. Welcome, guys. Drop a like as well. If you've just joined, drop a like. And we'll get started. Yeah, when a few more join, I'll start breaking this down. I'm only running a little bit of this position now. I might hold more into this high. We've still got some liquidity to take. I think I might hold a little bit more into this high, and then that'll be me done. If you took this, nice work. Very clean entry. But yeah, that is what I'm personally looking at. Yeah, beautiful entry here on gold. I'll break it down in a second. You in a buy at the moment? Nice. Brian, good morning. Morning, mate. If you're in a buy, good stuff. I'm in a buy. I'm actually holding this now. I don't really want to try and exit it too early. I want to see if I can get a decent push into these highs at 53 ticks. And then I might leave a little runner into some more highs to the left if gold wants to push. But I'll probably take off another, 10% here. Because I am on a... Alpha 100k funded account. I can actually take more partials, which is good. On my top step, like I say, on one contract you got like $400 there, but just on that one position we took in the community, beautiful position. You like I say, you've got valid trades here too. There's a valid entry here. That's absolutely fine. You've got another 15 ticks into your first targets there. And you also had a valid trade here too. There's been so many nice trades today that you could have taken. Look at that. You've got like three entries there. If you wanted to keep scaling. But yeah, that I know it looks stupid, but I'm personally just in from here. So I'm running this position. And I'm ready for a payout now on my alpha account, which is good. Lock that payout in. Another payout on that, and then I'll be requesting another payout on top step 2. So I've got another 2 payouts coming in the next. So that'll be like 5 to 6 payouts in the month already. 5 payouts in the month. My boy Joe, what's good? Benji, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Here we go, bro. We're gonna go on. We should smash these highs now. We should smash these highs. Yesterday on gold, waiting game, I didn't take any positions, and now I've just taken one position that's enough for the month, literally enough for the week. 52 ticks is absolutely fine. Like I say, guys, drop a like on the video. Yes, Joe, how's it going, Tyler? Welcome, bro, welcome. Bit of volume here now. But yeah, I am break even on this. I'm running this at break even. I'm running a very little portion of the position. Maybe like 30% of it now. So whatever happens. If it hits me break even, it hits me break even, whatever. I've managed the trade. All good. Bit of volume now though, look at this. Good to see. And so many members took it too. Beautiful. Love it. Good work. But yeah, let's try and catch some... I'm going to try and catch some longs into these highs with everybody on YouTube. That's the plan. That's the plan. But did anybody else catch this entry? Anybody else catch these 15-minute longs here? Good thing about alpha as well is I get my my initial challenge feedback too, which helps. So you've got like a free account if you get a payout. Will you still trade during the New York session? Yeah, I will do, mate. I'll probably, after the stream, I'll probably stay on here for an hour and a half. And then I'll probably be done. I'll probably just relax until the New York. I'm not, like I said, I've caught this now. I'm not in any, I've got this runner. If I'd see some positions on stream and they're valid, I'll 100% take it. But am I going to be trading for like all day? No, I've got my position. I'll just stay active in the community. If people want my analysis, I'll keep updating as always. But there's going to be more. Guys, if you've missed this entry and you've just come onto the charts now, there's going to be more opportunities. Like, there's always going to be more opportunities. There was a nice entry down here as well that you could have took to the plan. It would have only been a half risk entry, but that'd be running quite nice now. So there's a couple of entries that we take. I've got 3 entry models. This is a half risk entry. This is a full risk impulse. Look at Goldie having a little pullback. This is good. If we pull back, it's good. If it takes me out break even and pulls back, it's all good because I'll just take longs from down here where my break even is, get in another entry and take longs into these highs. You know, if we pull back, I'll just take longs into them highs. But what we'll do is we'll break down this trade here. So this was when I gave a market, every day I'll do a market update call or a market update for the community. I'll do one of them a day, and it was for the London session today. And what I said in the video at about 7 o'clock this morning is I said, if we can close back above this level here at 30.32, you're going to see these highs taken here. You're going to see this liquidity and this liquidity taken. Yeah. And the reason for that, one sec. Sorry, guys. Need to get out of the way. The reason you're going to see these highs taken if you close back above this level is because if you get a closure above here, what have you got? What are people doing at this level? People are going short at this level with the stops on these highs here and the stops on these highs here, looking for this big push down. If we understand that most retail traders and most traders are going short at this level with the stops on these highs, what can we do if we get above this level? We can start looking for longs into that liquidity. And if you play it forward, we had a nice closure above. 1 second, nice closure above, sweeping liquidity, and now look, they're getting stopped out of this trade. And what did we do? We didn't, we waited. We let gold tell us what it wanted to do, and we traded with that volume into their stop loss. We've profited, 95% of people have lost. And the trade that I'm in is this. Look at the difference. Most are going short at this level. We're going long here. If you can find a trap trader, if you can trade and find a trap trader, you're already 50% of the way there. The rest of it's just management, psychology, you know? Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, beautiful little entry there. Happy with that. Good management. I know most of the community are like, I'm not joining the live today, guys. We've caught our 50 ticks. I'm done. Yeah, everyone's chilling now. Look at that, beautiful. Good to see. You've taken your win. If you want to sit here and get some value, that's good. You know, there's always more value to take out of it. But if you just want to, you know, pip and dip, it's all good. Caught 4 ticks on the cells at 5. Nice. Alex, where are you from? Do you live in England? You're getting in at 5 o'clock in the morning. Are you on some crazy shift at work or something? Nice. Yeah, that's a nice trade, man. Swept liquidity, nice bearish closure, push down. Beautiful. Alex said entering at 5 in the morning. It's a good session. When I was in Asia, Thailand, I used to trade Asia session. It's a good session. You can get some good moves. The last time I was in Asia for 3 months, I didn't trade it because I wanted to trade with the community in London and New York. But you can get some good moves. Are we going to get me to... Are you going to take me out here? To be honest with you, I've taken 66% of this trade off. I'm out of this 66%. So I don't care if it pulls back and hits my break even. Like I've already mentioned, if it pulls back and takes my break even, I can just get longs from here and get another entry and profit again. That's the overall idea. But if it hits my TP, then I've got a runner into all-time highs. And then we can make a sick video out of that. I'm joking. I'm joking. Imagine that. If I leave a runner, which I probably will do, into all-time highs. Look at that for a push. I can thumbnail it. Guys, I'm joking. But I'm probably going to take another like 10-15% off if we do hit these highs, these liquidity targets. The way I managed this was when we started pushing past this high here, like when we started pushing past it nicely, I went like I trailed my stop on this low into these highs. I took partials, went break even, and then I'll take more partials here. Like not much more, but I'll take more off. Yeah, bro, I'm in the UK. Normally I wake up at 6:30 for pre-mal. Woke up. Yeah, nice, Alex. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, bro. If you can get on early, get on. Good to see. I sometimes do that. I sometimes wake up at like 5 o'clock and then can't get back to sleep. And then it gets to like 6:30 and then I want to sleep. It's like, make your mind up. Morning, mate. Got 17 ticks and claws. Was messy execution. Distracted a screaming baby and making breakfast. We'll catch the next one. Yeah. Where's good stuff? You caught some beast. Like yesterday, I didn't catch anything on gold. And that's why the strategy, you know, it's mechanical with the setups that we take, but it's discretionary because we have different levels, you know. So I didn't take anything on gold, but people in the community took a few trades yesterday. You know, Wes, like I say, Wes, you took some wins yesterday. I didn't take any trades, so yeah, good stuff, man. And you took another 17 ticks today, so yeah, good. I closed out my first partial here at about 25 ticks. And I'm going to take another 10-15% off up here. And then leave like, maybe like 0.5 lots running into like some highs up here. Maybe all-time highs. If I can get a good runner into all-time highs, that'd be a beast, wouldn't it? But let's watch it, because if gold pulls back, we can then take longs on gold. Joe, what's up with this? Charts being off. Distracted by a screen. Oh, Wes, sorry about that, bro. Yeah, that's part of the job, isn't it? You'll be fine, man. You'll get it. All-time high incoming. Caught a crap break even. That's the thing as well. Like, if you caught a break even on the futures, I personally, if the charts was off so much, I would have personally just kept it open and gone through the drawdown. And if it hit break even on gold on this chart, then I'd close it wherever it is and just take the loss. You know what I mean? That's how I would have done that, if that makes sense. But yeah, we're still holding this. I don't know what gold wants to do. My actual entry was, let's have a look. My entry was 33.58. Let's get this in properly. 33.58. That's my entry. So it was almost perfect. But yeah, we're waiting. If we pull back, it's decent, because if we pull back, then we can just take longs down from where my entry is. I have a feeling this is going to hit my break even. But all good, we can just... What's 4 hours saying? Yeah, 4 hours nice and bullish. I'd be very surprised if we didn't take these prior 4 hour highs now. Very surprised. All-time highs coming in my opinion. Yeah, I think if there's a level here that you need to break above on gold. Here. I think if you close above this level, you're sweet. That's my I think I'm going to get hit break even anyway, but that's my like level that you'd want to get above if you were going to... That's what I'd be watching. I'd be taking partials at the high, the prior 4 hour high, a little bit more. And then if it started closing through on the 4 hourly in 26 minutes, this level, then I'd just let it run to break all-time highs. But doubt that's going to happen now. It looks like it's going to pull back a little bit. But like I say, we've closed a decent portion of this. Let me put on. Break even now, like 60% closed. At around here. Decent. Dun, 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 dun. Goldie with this horrible pullback. Wanting to take us out, isn't it? Dun, dun. Yeah, it's annoying. It's all good though. No problems. You gotta let it run. Stay strong, more welcome. Yeah, like I say, I had like another $300 up here from a partial that I could have closed. Now it's sitting at like $100. So I'm not really bothered because I've taken like 60% off up here. But like I could be bothered, but I'm just not. I understand that It could have easily I understand that gold could have easily reversed here, you know? So I understand, like, this was perfect entry to the plan, and I understand that gold could have easily reversed here. And I know that, so, like, I'm happy with what the market gave me. I've managed it correctly. I'm break even now. What happens, happens. Like, I understand that there's another entry at some point. It's crazy to think, though, like, how you can make, like, $400 just off that little push there. And I'll tell you when I get hit break even on my thing, guys. Wow, it hit me break even there. That's insane. Oh no, it did. Yeah, that's fair enough, I think. Yeah, it hit me break even there. Look at that. 3 ticks. Look at that. My FX account hit me break even there. Look at that. What's that? 4 ticks? Great stuff. Wow. That got hit break even. Like, that's the good thing about futures as well. Like, futures would not have hit me break even at all there, and I'd be still in this position, up 10 ticks. But on FX, I'm out. Have a feeling it'll push now. Probably. If it does, I'll just get another entry. But like I said, I made like $400 there, so I'm all good. Decent trade though. Happy with the management. Happy with how it went. It could easily push, but if it does, like, I've managed it how I'd manage every position, so all good. Missed that 15, entered on the 30 impulse onto the next. Yeah, yeah, this was 1, 2, 3. This was valid here. This was valid here. You know, you got a 20 tick push there, which is actually quite nice. That's actually a decent entry. Same concepts. Same concept, you know, liquidity, nice bullish closure. You got 20 ticks there on that 30 minute. But gold, I didn't expect gold to have a deep, well, not deep, but I didn't expect it to have a pullback like this. I thought it'd have come and took these highs at least. You know? But you gotta take partials, you gotta manage your trade, pay yourself, and then be done. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, this probably is gonna hit the actual break even soon as well. If you got any questions, guys, feel free to drop me a message or put it in the chat, sorry. Look at that on gold. Look at that. That's why we take partials. That's like the main reason why you take partials too. Look at that. You've got target, 60% off. Take more here if it hit it. It didn't hit it. Didn't take partials. Got break even. It's good management. Like I say, guys, let's smash the like on this video. It does help. I appreciate it. Ah, you can't see my face. Guys, has it been like how long has it been like that where you can't see my face? I've just changed it now, but yeah, I'm out of this at break even, guys. It did take me out, like, look at that, 3-4 ticks. But what can I expect with FX accounts? Like, what can I expect? But we took some decent profits there. $400, not bad. Yeah, $400 took profit there on that little move. Crazy what trading can do, you know. I know it's not, you know, look at that, 40 ticks, $400 in like 30 minutes. But this is good. Like I've already mentioned, this pullback is always good because, like I mentioned in that, if you haven't watched my last TikTok video or my last YouTube short, go and give it a watch because it'll help you a lot. Because a lot of people will be feeling FOMO on this move, and there's no need to feel FOMO on this move. If you've missed it, don't feel FOMO. Just wait for the market to settle, pull back, let it settle, let it range, and then look to trade again, like we did here when we ranged. Okay? So don't get FOMO, let it settle, let it do its thing, wait for a new range, then trade into and away from it then. Where did I go wrong with that trade? Futures chart was moving oddly. The only thing you could have done, Anton, is trade the FX chart. If it's out, just trade the FX chart. If it hits stop loss on FX, just close manually on the futures. You can have a hard stop in, like 10 ticks below on the futures, but then if it takes it on the FX, just close it on the futures. Dun, 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 dun. We have got some news today, by the way, guys. We have got some big news. So I'm happy. I'm happy to take that little win and take it into the next couple of hours because, like I say, you've got big news today, guys. So you just got to keep it that. And I have a question. Do you have any hobbies or interests outside of trading? Yes, I do. Believe it or not, I used to. Well, I don't play as much anymore, but I love hobbies and interests. I love to travel. I love playing football. Pool as well. I like playing pool. When I was younger, like 10 and 11, I was at like in Liverpool and Manchester, not Liverpool, yeah, Liverpool and Burnley, for like a year, not long, but it didn't really go well. But I was like in the academy for like 8 to 12 months. Like I said, it didn't last long, but yeah. And obviously, but when you're 10, everybody can play football quite decent. I find that anyway. There's so many kids who used to be so good at football, and then they get older and something happens. But my main hobbies now, like traveling, going to the gym. I love traveling. Like, I'm always looking at like Skyscanner for like 3-day trips somewhere. You know, like 3 days to Spain or 3 days to Cyprus or something. Just to like go from, because that's what trading can do. I can literally go on a Monday, travel, run the community from an Airbnb for 3 days, and then come back and then have the weekend here. Like, that's what I could do easily, but I like having a setup. I like having a decent setup at home. Yo, Jacob, how's it going, bro? Welcome, welcome. Where's my next trip to? I was looking at Cyprus. Yeah, I was looking at Cyprus. I really want to go, maybe for like 5 days. You know, go Saturday, come back Wednesday or something. 5, 6 days. There's some really nice spots in Cyprus. I know it's good to live there. It's good for life as well, Cyprus. Is it okay if I check out GJ? Yeah, let's do it, man. Oh, wow. Absolutely smashed my screen. Sorry if I wobble a bit. What about you, Wes? Have you got anything planned, mate? Have you got anything planned? GJ got... Oh, nice. Look at GJ. Yeah, if you're in buys on GJ, that's nice. I think you're gonna get a decent push here. Look at the hourly. Hourly swept laws. Hourly swept laws here, look. Claws nice and strong above some levels. If this is your level, nice level. Look, resistance. Back above. Look at that. That's a beautiful buy. If I traded GJ, I'd be all over this long here. That's very, very clean. And how many ticks was the stop? 20 tick stop loss. And I'd be running it. I'd be break even now because you're taking these highs to the left. I probably wouldn't take partials, but I'd be running that now into these highs here. This would be my trade. Very, very clean entry that. GJ runs really well because it's good with volume in London session. You can trade GJ well to the plan. Got in at 194.1. All the way down here. 194.1. Oh, here. Yeah, nice. Took liquidity. Nice push. Little pullback. Continuation. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice little entry, that, man. You got like a decent 60 tick push into them highs. Another thing, you've got, look at that, you got liquidity, you're coming into this level. Look at that. Decent level there. What do we understand about this level? People are going short, stops on these highs, looking for this big play down. All we're doing is targeting that. Great stuff. That's super clean. Gold, to be honest with you, I'm happy with this entry. Oh, look at that now. Why can I not have raw spreads? Why can I not have raw spreads? Let's see how this 15 clauses, guys. If we get a nice strong 15 clause here, I'll take longs. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Take some longs based off this liquidity sweep here. Got 10 minutes to wait though. Probably will go and take it. What a joke, man. I've been taken out of this trade. Break even. I have got... Wow. You literally wouldn't believe where I've been taken out of this. Tell you what, guys, if you're getting angry about a missed opportunity, imagine being taken out of this trade at break even after, you know, I took some partials, I've taken profits, but could you imagine? Could you imagine? No? Look at me, use me as laughing stock. Look at that. What is this? Some sort of joke? Cheers, mate. No worries. No, mate. No plans for baby into you. I'm keen to face-to-face meetup if you do want. Yeah, definitely. Who else would be interested in that, guys? Like a face-to-face, in-person, like... It'd be like... I'd basically, I'd rent a room. I'd probably do 2, north and south. And it'd be like an in-person, like, mentorship for the day. All my trades have been like this recently. Bro, my stops get hit and then it reverses. Tyler, yeah. That's why partials for me just eases the pain a little bit. Because I took partials like here. And it hit me break even. Somehow. On alpha it hit me break even. And now it's pushing. Like this would be up like $300 now. I'd have like $300 more in profit, but it is what it is. Can't cry about it, or like I say, most people get upset, start revenge trading. I just look for the next valid opportunity. I can't, like I say, I can't control what it does. All I can control is like managing the position, entering good valid entries. So I'd love to say I was still in it, but I'm not. It'd be up like $1,000 on this trade almost now. For some reason, I find it hard to mark out the support and resistance lines on currency pairs, but I'd love to implement that for pairs. Yeah, Alex, nice. GJ, I think gold works with levels so much better than any other pair, so it's a lot easier. But you could do it on currency pairs for sure, though. You could do it on currency pairs for sure. Like I've tested this strategy on Bitcoin, like not fully tested it, but yeah, I have tested it. Like I've had like a little bit of back testing on it and stuff, and it works well on all pairs. Like you can just see, look, grab liquidity, close bullish, big push up. Grabs liquidity, close bearish, big push down. Dun, dun. Look at that now. Look at that now. Absolute bugger. Absolute bugger. Could you imagine being me right now? Oh, all good. Yeah, I think this is going to go and smash through this level. That's the make or break for me, guys. Anybody who's wondering if gold should go to all-time highs, you'd have to clear and close above this 4-hour resistance. Resistance, support, resistance, acting as resistance now. Close back above this acting as resistance now, then yeah, you clear into some more highs. But I'm watching this 30, 15 close. And hourly. I'm just going to share this in the community quickly. Got some nice confirmation here on the 30 for once. Very rare the 30 will confirm. Not very rare, but you get my point. I mean, over 1,000 trades hitting stop loss will save you, so I'm not bothered. It's supposed to trade. I can't leave. Yeah, definitely, Tucker. 100%, mate. You can't be bothered about what one trade does. You know, don't judge your, well, not performance. Yeah, don't judge your performance or judge what one trade does. Like, you know that having a stop loss long term helps you. You know, it stops you from blowing accounts. Stops you from going into deep drawdown, which is bad for your psychology. You know, it's not just about, yeah, it just tagged me out and ran. I don't really care. I understand that this could have easily This could have easily just done this. And then I'd be more fuming. I'll tell you what, I'd be more fuming if it did this and I didn't have a stop loss than hitting me at break even here. And then running. Because I'm still in a better position. I'm still not lost all that money. Yes, guys, if you haven't already, please drop a like on the video. Let's smash 15 likes if we can. We're at 10 right now. But yeah, let's try and catch these gold longs. I'm trying to catch these gold longs here. I need a nice strong close though. I do think these highs should get taken. 15, like 30 ticks into them highs right now. Good to see a good turnout for the London session again though, guys. We've got 20 in right now. Good to see. Like I say, I am normally live for the US session, but today London because we've got some high impact news on the US. But good to see 20, 25 people turning up. Nice one. You know, you don't expect it because this isn't my normal session. I don't expect similar amounts as we get in the US, but it's good. I like doing the London session too. London session streams are good for me because like I can do the London session, we can catch a trade. If we catch a trade, then you can chill out for the rest of the day. Massive blues today. Feels so lucky to be in this position. Yeah, good, Alex. Nice one, man. Good work. I'm going to break this down for the community too. I'll do a trade breakdown tonight on how we caught this trade. Okay? How we caught this position here. I'll do a breakdown. I might do it after this stream actually and get it up. So you can reference it. Beautiful impulse entry here. Just a shame that I would have still been in this if my spread were better. It's annoying. Dun, 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 dun. If anyone's got any questions as well, guys, if you want me to have a look at any other pairs that you trade, just drop it in. I'll break them down. What have we got here? Hourly, 30. Yeah, 5 confirmed too. 5 took liquidity, closed bullish. NQ, yeah, we'll do NQ. Yeah, we'll do NQ. Got it here. Ooh. Look at that 15 closure on NQ. Problem is that you're just coming into some structure. If we closed above there, I'd be looking to long NQ. You know, you've got some support, resistance here. I think if you get a closure above here now, then you're probably going to come push into these highs. Here. Yeah, can you see these highs? I'd want to close above here, though. Yeah, I'd want to close above this level. You can see this level here. Look, resistance, support, resistance, acting now as resistance, back above there. After sweeping this recent liquidity. 1 second. After sweeping this recent liquidity there. If you flip now, you're probably going to have a push into that liquidity. 30 swept as well. Hourly swept as well. Yeah, NQ. Look at that closure. That could be the closure on NQ. This could be the closure on NQ that you need for the pullback, because you've had like a decent push down look. That could be the closure that you need for NQ to start pulling back some, you know, maybe into some levels up here. But you'd need the closure above. Like, you're not above the level yet, so you can't really think about it. Once you're above this level, then I think you're clear to have a decent pullback. You know, you don't want to risk. You don't want to risk trying to long here and price reverses. So, yeah. That's what I'd say on that one. Back on gold. Gold's having that push now. Look at that. Anybody take this 15? It's valid, not the strongest clause, but it is valid for maybe a little half risk. It kind of did flip. But once it takes these highs, it's just a waiting game on gold. Beautiful. It's actually kind of clean, you know. You close bullish. I know it's weak bullish taking liquidity, but for a little half risk, it's not bad. Anybody take it? Still in buys? Yeah, I wish I was. Jeez. Did you take it? Wes. This 15 was nice, you know, you've got 25 ticks there. And it looks like the futures is pushing too, so. If anybody took this, you want to be break even 100%. Because, look, you've taken this liquidity here. You need to be break even here. Definitely. If this is going to flip bearish, then it probably will push even further down. But you need to be break even after taking these highs. You've pushed like 30 ticks. Yeah, this is NQ. Got some nice highs to take there. See if it wants to push or not. Pushes above, then yeah, you can look. Oh. Got it. 22 ticks. Nice. What's the difference between gold futures and gold forex? Just a different contract, mate. Jacob, futures is just a different contract. Is on contracts. Futures, lots is on. FX is lots. Lose my head then. I feel so bad for asking about NQ now. Oh, good, mate. Yeah, NQ should push. I've caught my long on gold. I've caught my long on gold, so whatever happens on gold happens. So good, mum. Cheers to the lights, guys. Nice one. Appreciate it. Love you from Bangladesh. Nice one, Raheem. Nice one, bro. But you've left some highs there on gold now, so if it goes to take them, sweet. It's probably a waiting game if it takes them highs now. You know, you've taken all the liquidity that's recent enough. It's going to be a waiting game. If you've taken some longs, if you take these highs here, then it's just a waiting game on gold. Because once you take them highs, you need to wait for more liquidity to form, like down here. And then you can long again or short again. I'm liking NQ if it can flip above here. But like I say, you just gotta wait. You're coming into a decent level here. Chopping at these highs now. Chopping. Tell you what, we'll stay on, guys, because I think if we can get an entry into these highs, I'm gonna stay on. If we take those highs, whether that's in the next, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and we don't get an entry, then that'll be me waiting for more liquidity to be formed. But like I say, if we can find an entry into them highs and we can just get in and out again, then nice. I probably would have taken these here. That was a valid entry. You know, you got a decent 22 ticks there. But I think we might get another entry. We'll see. But once we take those highs, it's done. NQ doing here. Doesn't want to flip, does lad? If you got any questions, guys, feel free to drop a question in the comments, please. All good. If you've got any trading related questions at all or anything that you want to get in, just drop it in. Let me know. See if we can get a setup on gold. An analyst for Euro USD, please. Yeah, sure, man. We'll do it now. Let's see. Let's see what Euro USD. All I do is analyze the exact same way. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at Euro USD. We've taken this liquidity. Look, swept these liquidity lows. Look what you've got. Look what you've got all the way down here. Look at all them equal or not equal. Look at all these highs that haven't been taken. You've got so many highs that haven't been taken. I wouldn't be surprised if gold broke above, say, some level like here. Let's mark it up. If we broke above here, you could probably see Euro USD start driving higher. Because you don't want to start. I personally wouldn't start looking for longs until you closed above there. Because what could happen? You could just continue to this downtrend. If you got above here, then yeah, you're probably going to see a drive higher. And now gold's pushing. No, it's not. I thought it was. Getting a little bit messier though. I don't like it. Wes, that is insane, man. That is insane. I love that. 79% win rate. Total R, 159 R. Man. Love to see that, Wes. Love to see that. Can only thank you, man. Yeah, great stuff. And yourself, put in the work. Oh, mate, imagine if you was on like 1% risk. That's like 150k profit. That's like 150k profit, man. But you wouldn't be able to execute the same way. You wouldn't be able to execute like that. Because, you know, trying to find out risk and stuff when you're trying to enter a trade is impossible. Did anybody watch that last show? I thought it was great value. Bonkers, slowly. Next quarter, I want to start stacking accounts. Good stuff, man. Great stuff. Lewis, I need 0.7% gain to pass phase 2. What advice when at this point? I wouldn't give you any advice. All I'd say to you is just continue doing what you've done. Like, I'm guessing you've passed the 8% phase, and now you've got another 4.3%. Whatever you're doing's working as of yet. So don't think about it. Just continue to trade like normal. You know, a lot of people will fold and start getting nervous and stuff. Just keep trading, man. Or just, you know, wait for your setup. Keep trading. Don't force it. The setup will come. Just keep going, mate. Naz is pushing. Naz is flipping now. You could see Naz flip. I tell you what, if this 30 closes above this level, very, very clean stuff, that. 30 ticks. Yeah, don't think too much about it, man. Just keep going. Gold's pulling back as well. To be honest with you, when I literally just passed a phase 2. I literally just passed the phase 2 like last week. And I passed it in one trade, so I really didn't have time to think about it. But if it was me and I had like 1% to pass it, I wouldn't think about it. I'd just trade the next trade. Yeah, I agree. Try not to trade emotionally. Yeah, 100% Wes. Definitely. Let's review gold. Decent range here. Decent little range. Maybe messing about. I'll tell you what, if gold closes above this level here, you're probably going to have a decent push, because that's that level of resistance that we mentioned on the higher time frame. You've got a decent range here now. If it confirms, maybe on that level. Oh yeah, I'm watching this 15 clause. Yeah, if this 15 clause confirms and we get a nice clause above here potentially, then I'll try and take a little long into these highs. That's a decent little trade there, you know. Try and get some longs into there. You can go break even and then hopefully get a little push higher. But yeah, I've got that 4-hour closing as well. Remember that. That should be NQ pushing, no? No, not really. NQ should push to gold. Sometimes it does anyway. But look, all we're seeing now is what we saw before, look. Nice bullish close. If we get a nice bullish close here, we're just taking the same entry. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to wait for this 15 to close. If it doesn't set up, I'll just update you, and I'm just going to stay active in the community. That's all I'm going to do, guys. Because if this 15 doesn't set up, like I say, I don't want to just sit here. I'll just stay active in the community and probably take a trade there. Yeah, NQ pushing down now. Doesn't look like you're gonna get that closure anyway. Doesn't look like you're gonna get that closure. Goldie pushing down, not really doing much now. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna look for, guys. I'm gonna update you, and I'm just gonna stay active in the community, okay? So community members, I'll see you there. But what I'm gonna be looking for those who aren't in the Discord, I'm going to be watching this range here, okay? Gold within this range. I think if we can get some closes above this level, we're gonna push higher. So I'm gonna be watching for closes back above 30, 37 here. Get a nice strong closure above there. I'm gonna be looking for pushes into some, you know, some targets, some levels. But that's all I'm watching for. If we get a deeper pullback, then good. We've got some more targets. But yeah, that's what I'd like on gold. Either breaks above here for longs or pull back on longs down here. Alright. But yeah, members, I'll see you in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord community, links are in the description. Make sure to check it out. Free Telegrams there too. And yeah, we stayed on for a little while. The move came pre-London session. And we've literally just tracked sideways. We had a decent entry here that you could have taken. A nice 20-30 ticks. But we've literally gone sideways for the hour and a half I've been on. Look, from 8:30 till 9:30, we've gone sideways. So I'm going to just set some alerts here and here. Okay. And I'll update the members when we break out. And let's see if we can take another trade in the community. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow for the US session stream, okay? I'll be on for the US session tomorrow, guys. Just feel like I want to pass. Just feel like hitting a 1-to-1 scalp. Yeah, make it a valid trade. Make it a valid trade, mate. Yeah, make sure you make it a valid position. But yeah, guys, I appreciate for everyone for tuning in. Let's see what gold does at these two levels here. Maybe we can get some longs down here. Or get some longs above here. There's two possibilities. But yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Make sure you drop a like as well. If you've tuned in, drop a like. And I'll see you in tomorrow's stream, okay? Good to see everyone here. Make sure if you want to join the Discord or the free Telegram, links are in the description of the YouTube. You can see this trading strategy in the free Telegram links. Just click them and you can get involved, alright? So see you tomorrow. Peace.